In this tutorial, let me show you how I made this beautiful quick infographic in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Click on right button and insert a new slide. Let me delete this. Now go to insert, go to icon, right here, man, and select this icon and click on insert. And place the icon over here and duplicate it 10 times. Place it here. And I have duplicated it 10 times. Now select all of this, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and Ctrl D to duplicate, and select all of this and place it here like this. Now let me select this 9 and go to graphics format, go to graphics fill and select this fill color. Then select this 7%, go to graphics format, graphics fill, select another fill color. Then select this 5%, go to graphics fill and select another fill color. Then select this 3, go to graphics format, graphics fill, select another fill color. Now I have to insert a text box. Go to shape and insert a text box and drag it over here and write here 90%. Select the text, change the font, increase the font size, place it like this. Select the font and the font color, go to eyedropper and select this color. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this, and right here 70%, change the font color, then select it and make it 50%, change the font color and make it 30%, and change the font color like this, and this one will be perfect. Now let me watch the slideshow, and this is beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.